Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglu, and in this series of video tutorials I'm going to teach you how to use PHP MySQL. In order for us to fully test while we're developing a PHP MySQL project, we need to have a server running on our local machine. There's many servers out there. You can install XAMPP, you can install XAMPP, you can install IIS. For this series of video tutorials, I'm going to be using XAMPP. XAMPP is available for also Linux or OS X operating systems. So in my case, I'm using Windows. I'm just going to click on download and select the latest version of PHP. Click download, and if my download is not started, I click here and then I click accept, and then I click on this little green button here, and my download will begin in 5 seconds. Okay. Once the download begins, you will then be able to have the file downloaded, click on it, and basically follow the installation wizard. If you see any warnings, just click next, 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 and complete the installation process. So because I have already installed XAMPP, I'm just going to cancel the installation here. So you just need to follow the instructions and complete the installation process. So I'm just going to go here now and basically run XAMPP. And for this series of tutorials, I will need to use a patch. So when you click start a patch, you might receive a firewall warning. Just click allow and then click on MySQL, and again you might receive a warning from the firewall. Click allow as well. So now a patch is running. I can actually go here on my address bar and type localhost, and I'm going to be redirected to the dashboard extension here. So if I go back here to my XAMPP window, I can click on the MySQL admin, and this will redirect me to the PHP MyAdmin, where I can actually create databases. I hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will be able to use this skill in order to install and configure PHP MySQL server on your computer. In the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure the PHP MyAdmin in order to make it a bit more secure, and then I'm going to show you also how to create your very first database table. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.